Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete a Facebook group in your mobile phone. Friends, to delete a Facebook group, you need to press on right side corner of the screen. Here press on groups. In groups press on your groups. Here press on your group name. Here press on this little arrow. Here press on see all. Now to delete this group, you need to remove your members one by one. So press on the member name and in option press on remove member. Press on remove member again. Now like this you need to remove all the members. After removing all the members, press on your name. Now here in options, press on remove as admin. Press on remove admin again. Now friends, like this you can very easily remove all your members and delete your Facebook group. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.